Hi, this is installing the brand new jet shade for the skylight of your Cirrus aircraft. It's really easy to do. First, notice the mirror side is facing up towards the sky. Next, we just take this tab, we're going to put it right here between the window and the trim, and we're going to do that with just a little bit of flex. We're going to put it up there and just push it back, and there you go, it's in. And notice how this side went above the Cirrus trim and this side went above the trim. You're going to just push it back a little bit, setting it in, and after you push it back, you're going to bend that tab, push it up there, and then just pull it forward a little bit. So this hits here and this hits here, it's part of the trim, and you're done. That's how easy it is. And when you do it, you're going to notice, yeah, we have a nice air gap coming here and here. We want that because this is going to be in there probably a while, and it gives nice airflow and nice air gap between the window itself and the jet shade. So a proper installation would just simply have this above the trim if it's possible. If it just fits in yours by friction, that's okay too, because the trim's a little bit different in every aircraft. But the key things to look for is that this is resting on the outside of the trim all the way around to here, all the way around to here, and then this tab is tucked in and this tab is tucked in. It's that simple. That's how you install the new jet shade skylight into the skylight of the Cirrus aircraft and help keep that Cirrus cool.